As the sun hits the massive Dubai frame, tiny miniature workers begin attaching the golden metal sheets high above the ground. But for these little heroes, it's just another day of building greatness. Now comes one of the most delicate tasks, placing the glass floor panels. As the night falls, the construction site glows with tiny spotlights. The miniature workers hook in. With the panels in place, it's time for the finishing touch. Before the world sees the glamour, the tiny workers focus on strength. Today is the most challenging moment, lifting the giant top beam of the Dubai frame. With the structure rises proudly above Dubai, but the tiny workers aren't done yet. They polish